Hello guys, here's Alto back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of this scratches from your PSP or from your phones. So the first thing you're going to need a toothpaste and a cloth microfabric. First you're going to take some toothpaste and I can close it, and you're gonna make it like circle like circle like this. Then you're gonna leave it for 3 minutes. Now guys, we're gonna wipe it with this cloth. So guys, here's the result. You can see now it's more better than previous time. Now you can see your videos more perfectly.
Thank you. Please subscribe.